Explore Malaga City, Spain, in stunning 4,000. Join Shutterbug on a captivating walking tour through Malaga's vibrant streets during summer 2024. Discover the city's rich culture, iconic landmarks, and breathtaking views in this unforgettable adventure. Whether you're planning a visit or just dreaming of one, this video is a must-watch. Don't miss out. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content from around the globe. Dive into the beauty of Malaga with Shutterbug. Malaga City, Spain, offers a perfect blend of culture, history, and seaside beauty. Visit the Alcazaba, a Moorish fortress with stunning views, and explore the Picasso Museum, honoring the city's famed artists. Wander down Calle Larios for shopping, then relax at Malagueta Beach. The iconic cathedral, known as La Menquita, and the bustling Mercado Central offer rich experiences. Enjoy the scenic harbor next to the Mediterranean Sea, ideal for sunset strolls. Malaga is a true coastal gem. For the best experience in Malaga, visit between April and June or September and October for pleasant weather and fewer crowds. Summers can be hot but perfect for beach lovers. Don't miss trying local delicacies like espeto de sardinas, grilled sardines, gazpacho, and pora and tequerana, a thicker version of gazpacho. For dessert, enjoy tarta malagueña made with almonds and Malaga wine. Comfortable shoes are a must for exploring this walkable city. vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Shutterbug in Norway. Hit the bell icon to get notified of my upcoming travel adventures, vlogs, and tips. Your support helps me bring more exciting content from around the world. Stay connected and join me on my journey as we explore new places together.